Hi y'all, I'm back with another new braid. I'm using 2 strands of the 7/8 inch ribbon, and I cut them at 30 inches long just for the purposes of the tutorial, and we'll see how long that makes the finished braid. Okay, so you want to start by putting both of the flat sides or non-shiny sides together. Your shiny sides are on the outside. Put a staple here at the bottom, and you want to take your strands just like this, and you're going to hold them kind of right here. In your first loop, you're going to just take the purple one back, and you're going to form a loop like this, and you pull the strand over this way, and you want to sort of just make sure you see like the right angle here. Okay, that's how you kind of know, that you have the positioning right. And then you take your red one, and you're going to do the same thing. You just follow it over, put it on the back side just like that. Okay, so now you see kind of have that nice little loop here. All right, and then you want to take the purple one and loop it around, and you're going to make it match up just like that in the same fashion. Okay, there we go. So they're going to be somewhat offset, if you notice, just a little bit. Okay. And then you follow around with your red, and they match again here. Okay, so we're going to put a staple right here to stabilize everything. And with the staple, make sure you're catching the seam there where the 2 purples meet. I just want to make sure that my staple is kind of over that to help stabilize it. That way, if I let this go, no big deal. Okay, so our next step, to be the purple, you're going to loop it around. Oops, I'm sorry, I almost took it the wrong way. Okay. Loop it around this way. Okay, and you're gonna match it like that. See how I kind of, the way that I'm making sure everything is square is sort of by lining it up. You see, like where the ribbon ends? So that's just a way that I like to keep myself making sure everything is as even as possible. Okay. You follow it around with the red ribbon. And over this way. We're gonna do the same thing here with the purple. We're gonna go just like that. Match it up. Trying to make it match my loops. Do your red to match. Okay. I'm debating whether I should go ahead and put another staple. Yeah, because it's if you let it go, then it will drop or adjust. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a staple in a similar spot where you're catching both of those ribbons at the seam preferably. Okay. Here we go. Back to the purple on this side. Circle your red around. y'all hear the baby show in the background. My 2-year-old is, it's actually evening right now, not so late this time. But my son took a nap, a late nap today, and he's still napping. If he was in here, I wouldn't be doing this. He would be trying to help me. He's 2.5, so that help would probably not work for a tutorial video. So there we go with that one. And I'm going to staple it so that we, again, can keep everything nice and uniform. Okay. And I'm matching it up here. Gonna take it around this way. And this one too. The red around to match it. I was gonna say, I think I forgot to put a staple in, but no, I've just been doing them after both loops, yeah. Okay, so this looks like about all of the ribbon, all the length that it's gonna make here. So let's see. I mean, it would have made a little more, like one more full loop if I hadn't, you know, cut it so short. So let's see. That makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5.5 or 6 inches out of 30 inches. About 6 inches out of 30 inches. And this is a 7/8 inch ribbon. That's what the back looks like. And that's what the front looks like. So I'm guessing, you know, you would hang it like this. And I need to make a part 2 to add some bling or things like that to it. And we can see what it looks like after that. Thanks, guys. I hope you'll try this. And if the video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe. Thank you.